written reformist and national hero of the Philippines. In just 35 years, he inspired a revolution and changed the course of the nation. Jose Rizal, Dr. written reformist and national hero of the Philippines. In just 35 years, he inspired a revolution and changed the course of the nation. He studied in Manila and at Ateneo Municipal and later at the University of Santo Tomas. Disheartened by discrimination, he left for Europe in 1882. He earned degrees in medicine and philosophy from the Universidad Central de Madrid. In 1887, Rizal published No Limitang Here, exposing the injustice of Spanish rule. In 1891, he released El Filibusterismo, a darkness requel, calling from reform. His writing fueled the rise of Filipino nationalism. Despite the risk, Rizal returned to the Philippines in 1892. He was soon exiled to Dapitan in Mindanao, where he spent 4 productive years teaching, farming, and healing the sick. In 1896, accused of sedition, Rizal was arrested and imprisoned in Port Santiago. On December 13, 1896, he was executed by firing squad in Bagumbayan. His final poem, Mi Ultimo Adios, because as a symbol of sacrifice. Hindi ko po alam kung yun nga po ang tamang bigkas. Jose Rizal legacy lives on the heart of Filipino. His courage, intellect, and love for the country made him more than a martyr. He became a symbol of freedom.